Hello everyone, I'm Camelia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. Hope you will like it.
Round 1. Make a magic ring. Chain 4. This chain 4 is counted as 1 treble crochet. Then we put another treble crochet. Yarn over twice. Go into the ring. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 2. We put 2 more treble crochets into the ring. 1, 2, then we chain 2, 2 double crochet, 2 treble crochets. 1, 2, 2, 2 treble crochet stitches. Repeat this pattern and continue with chain 2, 2 treble crochet stitches. I will meet you at the end of round 1. We are at the end of round 1. Chain 2 and then slip stitch into the 4th chain. So if you count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you're counting back, it's the second one. 1, 2. Slip stitch. Round 2. Slip stitch to bring yarn over into the middle of 2 treble crochets. Chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. Then we put 4 double crochet stitches into this chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we chain 3, slip stitch in between these 2 treble crochet stitches. Now we repeat this pattern. Chain 3, 4 double crochets into chain 2 space. 2, 3, 4. Chain 3, slip stitch in between these 2 treble crochet stitches. So chain 3, 4 double crochets into the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3, slip stitch in between 2 treble crochet stitches. Continue this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 2. We are at the end of round 2. Slip stitch in between these 2 treble crochet stitches. Round 3, we're going to walk to the back. We chain 4, then in between 2 petals, slip stitch into this stitch. Repeat, chain 4. In between the petals, slip stitch into this stitch. Chain 4. In between these 2 petals, slip stitch into the stitch. Just repeat this for this round. I will meet you at the end of the round. We are at the end of round 3. So we just slip stitch into the first chain 4 space. Round 4. Chain 4. Then we put 6 treble crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then chain 4, slip stitch into the same chain space. Then we slip stitch into the next chain space. We're going to repeat the pattern for the petal. So chain 4, 6 treble crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we chain 4, slip stitch into the same chain space. That's our second petal. Okay, again, slip stitch into the next chain space. Chain 4, 6 treble crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then chain 4, slip stitch into the same chain space. That's our third petal. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of the round. Round 5. Chain 6. Then slip stitch. Just go in between the petal. Chain 6 again. Then slip stitch in between these 2 petals. Chain 6. Slip stitch into these, just beneath, in between these 2 petals. Okay, repeat this for this round. We are at the end of round 5. So you can slip stitch into the first chain 6 space. Round 6, chain 4. Then we put 8 treble crochet stitches into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we chain 4, slip stitch into the same space. That's our first petal. For the second petal, we slip stitch into the next chain space. Chain 4, 8 treble crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we chain 4, slip stitch into the same chain space. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 6. We are at the end of round 6. Slip stitch into the same chain space. Then chain 1, cut off. So we have made a flower. Round 7. We change yarn, a slip knot. We work from the back as well. So we attach yarn in between these 2 petals, like this. we chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we find in between this petal, just beneath it, go to the back, slip stitch. Then we chain 10 again. Then we find between two petals to the back, slip stitch. Then we chain 10. Find the stitch between two petals. We go from that. Chain 10. Then in between these two petals, go underneath. Continue this pattern. I will meet you at the end of the row. We are at the end of round 8. Slip stitch into the same chain space. Then we slip stitch to the next chain space again and chain 1 for more skewer and cut off. We have finished today's project. Hope you like it. Thank you very much. See you again.